This is a 2014 Hyundai i10 and this has had an annoying rattle which has sounded like it's come from up in the dash, but we finally resolved it, so that's what I'm sharing on this video. So this is my daughter's car and she's learning to drive, so I'm normally sat in the passenger seat, and as a passenger the sound has sounded like it's coming from up in the dashboard here. Somewhere in the middle, deep down at the front. It's sort of behind the radio, but somewhere down here. But as a driver, she's thought the rattle is coming from round here somewhere. So while she's been driving, I've been pressing and prodding all the bits of the trim and the instrument cluster, and we've emptied the glove box and the door pockets and things. And it's taken a very long time to find out where the rattle was coming from. But it was actually the sun visors. Even though the rattle sounded like it was coming down from inside the dash, finally I touched the sun visor and actually just dropping it down made the rattle suddenly go. And it seems it's actually these covers which slide over the mirror that rattles. And I put this bit of material, I don't know what it is, it's like a microfiber cloth, like a little shower cap or something, I don't know. But anyway, we found this in the glove box from the previous owner, so maybe they were doing the same. But I just left that there, shut that, and that's enough to pinch the cover and take away that rattle. And we haven't needed to do the same on the driver side because this one doesn't rattle quite the same as it does on the passenger side. So after weeks of having this annoying rattle that seemed like it was inside the dashboard, it turned out to be those sun visors. So I hope that's helped you. If it has, please do click the thumbs up. Cheers.